Good morning, Will. I'm gonna try to show you this these stops for this is over here, the chime side, and this is the pin. This is the stop pin, and this is that little lever that comes through the front and is pushed over by the chime stop. Okay, and there's another pin on the back side of this wheel that comes up, when this goes into warn. So this is at full stop, I believe, right here now. And then over here, this is the strike side, and of course this is in warn right now because of the way you'll see in a minute. The way I got it front. This is in warn. That pin at full stop is behind the rack stop. And then as the rack is lifted, it goes into warn, and this stopped here. So I hope that's, explains a little bit of, I know you said you've worked on one of these before, but, I can't remember my memory. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to pause for a second and set up my camera again so I can show you the front. Okay, well, I'm trying to keep this camera steady, but so this is the new piece that I made right here, and of course I've got it as long as it'll possibly can be and fit in there. Of course, you can see, it's way too long, but long as I can shorten, but I can't lengthen. So then you see what happens. It just nothing works. But over here, where I showed you this stop that's in warn, there's a stop right here behind the rack there. That's the stop that goes through the plate in that hole right there. And whenever this comes up and it goes into warn, I know this is supposed to be going into the hour, but I didn't have it set up that way. But you get it. I don't understand how all this works together. It is so, there's like no tolerance. There's no room for any error, it seems. But it all has to be exactly right, which, makes sense, but not very forgiving at all. But somehow, as this comes around for the if it was on the hour, when this comes around, I don't understand how this plays in there, because when that lifts up and the rack drops, which it's that way now, I just don't get it all. I don't quite understand even how it works at all, and that's where I got to get to so I'll know how to fix it. So again, if you see something, but prying here, that is such a minute. If you move it, if you open this or close this, it just changes everything from working to not. It just don't work. It either picks this up too far, or it causes this right here to even miss the star cam. Don't even touch it. I've bent that thing so many times, I'm afraid I'm going to get metal fatigue right here, and it's going to break. I just don't understand how that is all working. But I got a little whittling to do on this to make it work right. But I'm going to try to, I know that this has to be a length to where when this picks it up, that'll come out of that notch. So I know I got to shorten it a little bit, but I'm being charitable and cautious. So, all right, thanks for your time. We'll have a great day. God bless you. See ya.